am loving this new packaging. This is gorgeous. Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome back to Season Beauties. Our video on today, yes, is that time of the month when I open up my absolute favorite box. What is that box? It is the monthly CurlBox. Love, love, love this box. Really do. For those of you who are not familiar with CurlBox, I will leave all the information down below so that you can become a part of the CurlBox Nation and learn to love this box just like I do. Okay, enough about that. Let's jump in and see one of the reasons why I love it so much. Okay, and by the way, I am loving this new packaging. This is gorgeous. Okay, so when we open up our box, the first thing we get is our description card. And our card for this month looks like this. Okay, and it says, we still have our faves, and Kenra is mine. The products perform so well that you cut down a lot of time styling. I'm excited for you to try their new all curl collection. Give your curls what they crave with Kenra: moisture, length, and definition. Okay. Now, this is new for me. This is not a product that I've ever tried before, so I'm excited. All right, so let's get started. And the first item that we have is this one right here, and this is the cleansing rinse. And it says low lather, non-drying, cleansing rinse with targeted root application, eliminates product buildup, maintains moisture, enhances manageability, and it's color safe. Now this is a 10 fluid ounce size, and it says gentle build up remover, and it's light on moisture, light elongation, and light definition. Okay, and it says this one is cruelty-free. And let's see what kind of shelf life it offers. Okay, unfortunately, I do not see a shelf life on here. So, as much as I want to open it and smell it, I'm going to reserve the right to wait just a little while, okay? So this is item number one, okay? Then item number two is this one right here, and this is the balancing conditioner. And it says it replenishes moisture after shampooing, helps to detangle and define, enhances shine, enhances conditioning, enhances manageability, and it has 72-hour moisture retention. How about that? That right there speaks volumes. All right, and this one is a 10 fluid ounce as well. It has that push top for the conditioner. Oh my God, I am like really excited to try this. Okay, and there's no expiration date showing on this one either. I will go online and check it out and see if there is something there with regards to the shelf life. Then the next item that we have is the Hydrating LeaveIn. And this one says it hydrates and detangles curls to prep hair, provides curl retention and moisture, enhances condition, and it also offers a 72-hour moisture retention. This one is a 6 fluid ounce size, and everything on this one is light as well. Oh, wow. Now, it says here that you can spray it directly on clean, damp hair, or as a refreshener just go ahead and squirt it in your hands and run it down or through your tresses. Okay, that's good to know. Excitement building. All right, and then the next one is the lightweight defining cream. This one right here, and it says a lightweight enhancer that defines curls, enhances shine and manageability. It offers 72-hour moisture retention, 72-hour frizz and humidity resistance, and it's a thermal protection, heat protection, y'all. Now this one is a 3.6 fluid ounce size. All right, now this one says it offers medium moisture and medium elongation, but light definition. Okay. All right, so that's good to know as well. Then the next item we have is the defining jelly. And it says this one hydrates and detangles curls to prep hair. It provides curl retention and moisture. It enhances conditioning, and it has 72-hour moisture retention. Now, this one says it's light on moisture, medium on elongation, and high on definition. And this one is a 3 fluid ounce size. All right, and this one says this is a control gel cream. The last item we have is this one, and this is the sealing oil spray, and it says it's lightweight enhancer that defines curls, enhances shine and manageability. It offers 72-hour moisture retention, 72-hour frizz and humidity resistance, and this one is also a thermal protection, which is of course heat protectant. Okay, this one is high on moisture, light on elongation, and light on definition, and it is a 1.5 fluid ounce size. Now this is quite the collection that we received. I love this. Well, as you can tell, I offer my reasoning why I love this box. I love the introduction to new products, or even products that may have been out for a while, but I have not tried, but always wanted to. So I love this box for that reason, but not that reason alone. We have full-size products. They make sure we stay in the know, and we have no excuse for our hair to not be on point. It gives us an opportunity to try these products. Even if it doesn't work right for you, you have not spent an arm and a leg, because inflation is no joke right now, but you have not spent so much money that it's breaking the bank. Okay, you didn't have to go to the gas station and pay those exorbitant prices to get to the store. So this right here, I encourage anyone, if you are a natural hair wearer, male or female, they even offer products sometimes for younger children. Okay, so just go on their website. I will leave that information down below as well, so you can see if this is something that you would like to try out. Now, if you are not ready to totally commit, they do offer a non-subscription box. Now, it's not the same as this, but it will give you an opportunity to try out CurlBox with some really fly okay, I'm telling my age. So with some really nice products that you may fall in love with. Okay, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our October CurlBox. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price that you would have paid had you purchased it retail. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.